Hey Alexa, how do I get photos on my Echo Show?
I picture you'll be done with this setup in no time. Let me help you with a few easy steps.
Want to connect your Amazon photos to your Echo Show? Let me show you how. If you haven't already, download the free Amazon Photos mobile app. Log in, then either enable autosave to automatically upload your photos or manually choose the ones you want to upload. Everyone gets 5 gigs of full resolution storage for free. And if you're a Prime member like me, you get unlimited storage for photos. Now you're ready to set your photos as your Echo Show background. Here's a few ways to do it. Just say, Alexa, show my photos from last weekend. Alexa, set these photos as my background. You can also set your background photos directly in your Amazon Photos app. Click the More tab and choose Personalize Echo Show and Fire TV. Click on your Echo Show device and pick your favorite photos. Or you can do this directly on your Echo Show. Go into Settings, click Wallpaper and Clock. Select Amazon Photos and choose the ones you want. Alexa, tell me a photo joke.
Where does the rhombus post its selfies? On Parallelogram.
Go ahead and give it a try on your Echo Show, and be sure to watch more of our helpful videos. Thanks for watching.